To get started, position the playhead over the part of the video on the timeline you want your text to fade in at. Then select the Type tool and click anywhere inside the preview panel to type your text. Alright, now that you've added some text, you should see a pink text clip on your timeline. If you want to change your text duration, simply drag the end of that text clip. Next, let's add a fade by going over to the Effects panel and type Dissolve into the search box. Under Video Transitions, you should see a few different dissolves. Drag Film Dissolve under the very beginning of your text clip to fade it in. Alright, and now when I play this back, my text fades in. You can also use Cross Dissolve, but I think Film Dissolve looks more cinematic on video. To change the phase duration, simply drag the end of your dissolve transition on your clip. If you want to fade your text back out, drag Film Dissolve from the Effects panel onto the end of your text clip. Okay, now my clip fades in and out, but I'm going to undo adding the dissolves and show you an even easier way to fade using default transitions. Back in the Effects panel, right-click, Film Dissolve, and click Set selected as default transition. Now select your text clip on the timeline and use the Ctrl-D keyboard shortcut to add a quick film dissolve transition to your attack. And of course, if you just want to fade in and not fade out, you just select the fade out transition and hit the delete key on your keyboard. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.